In this video, I break down the LinkedIn strategy that helped my mid-career client land 2 job offers using LinkedIn posts instead of networking messages. This happened without doing any cold DMs, no awkward just checking in messages, and no asking anyone for a job. And this client had been searching for 8 months before we started working together. If you're networking really hard and it's not getting you anywhere, this is going to completely change how you think about LinkedIn. Now, before working with me, this client was doing everything right. He had received outplacement support from the company that laid him off, and they told him after working with him on his resume and LinkedIn profile that they were great. And yet, nothing was landing. It was crickets for a full 8 months. No traction, no momentum, and no offers. Not even any interviews. Once we started working together, everything changed. We did 2 things very differently. First, we upgraded his resume and optimized his LinkedIn profile so that recruiters and hiring officials could clearly see the value that he could bring. Second, we focused on visibility, not just networking. And that's when everything changed. Recruiters started reaching out almost immediately. And within a couple of weeks of posting consistently on LinkedIn, he had 2 offers on the table. Today, I'm breaking down why those posts worked and how you can use this strategy without feeling salesy or exposed. I'm Danielle Bradley. I'm a career coach for mid-career professionals, and I help them land offers quickly without applying to hundreds of jobs online. And here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. You're not getting traction because you're invisible, not because you're not qualified. Most people think that networking means sending out messages like this one. Hi there, I hope you're well. I'm currently exploring new opportunities and would love to connect if your company has any openings. That is not networking. That's a cover letter disguised as a LinkedIn message, and everyone can feel it. What actually works today is strategic visibility. So here's why posts are better than messages. This is what happened with my client. He didn't ask for referrals, and he didn't announce to the world that he was unemployed. He didn't post open to work desperation content. Instead, he posted thoughtful messages tied to what he does, his expertise, his industry, and the problems companies hire for. Those posts did 3 things at once. They showed how he thinks, they made the right people curious, they gave others language to advocate for him. When someone saw an opening, they didn't think, who do I know who's looking? They thought, I know someone perfect for this. And this is how offers come to you. So here's a breakdown of what his posts actually did. They weren't viral posts, they were not flashy, they weren't trying to impress everyone. They followed this framework. Number 1, a clear point of view. A short insight about his industry, something real, nothing generic. Number 2, proof of thinking. A quick example from his experience. Not bragging, just credibility. Number 3, an invitation to engage. A simple question or a reflection that made people want to respond. And then when people commented, conversations got started on the platform. And here's the key part that people miss and don't think about. Those commenters checked out his profile because now they were curious. And because his profile had been optimized, they instantly understood what he did, what level he was operating at, and why he was valuable. He didn't have to explain himself. His profile did the work for him. But you might wonder then, what about networking? Networking still matters, but it works best after visibility. Public posts warm people up, and then conversations happen naturally. And this is why this works so well for introverts. You're not cold opening relationships, you're letting people come to you who are already interested. So here's a reality check. This only works if your profile is clear, your positioning is strong, and you're posting about the right things. Posting random thoughts with a weak LinkedIn profile is not going to help. Visibility without strategy will only create noise. So here's what I want you to do in the next 48 hours. Update your LinkedIn profile so that it's optimized for the type of role that you want. Then write a post related to your role or your industry. Share a real insight about a lesson that you've learned. End the post with a thoughtful question. That's it. Don't ask for a job. Don't explain your situation. Just show how you think. And then watch who engages. The hidden job market isn't hidden at all. It's relational and it starts with visibility. If you want help building a LinkedIn strategy that is going to land you interviews and offers, I do offer free strategy calls, and you can book one following the link below this video. And drop a comment and let me know what industry you're targeting. And subscribe to my channel for more real, actionable, and practical career advice. Now go post on LinkedIn.